Hey team, so this video is to show you how to make sure you have your TeamSnap notifications turned on your phone. So again, this is recorded on the iPad app, but you click on More, and then you see some of your account, the other things that are accessible in TeamSnap. You click on Notification Preferences, and then you need to make sure that some of these are on or off. So this is up to you. So you can turn alerts and schedule updates. Okay, so whenever something happens, you can get a notification, or if something's added or changed on the schedule. Sometimes when you created an event on the schedule, I can say that I don't want people to get notified, and so it'll just kind of be like a quiet addition in the background. That's what the league often does when our new practices and games are scheduled in. When I add in a new thing, I will always make it so that you get updated. Live score updates, you can turn that on if you want to get those live games, if we're doing live scoring. And then the live game event messages is the chat that goes on during that live game. The other thing that you can check on is the schedule reminders. Right now I have games and events. Events are practices, essentially. Games are different because they have that live scoring. So I've got it all on for everything for schedule reminders right now. If those reminders annoy you, you can turn them off completely if you like. Okay, so hopefully that helps you with your notifications.